Esperanza, Giorgio Buencamino, and Engineer Walter Asilos. Welcome to the group. Gentlemen, welcome.
Ayaw mo ito.
Our first order of business. It's an update regarding Miguel Shunisha. Honore. Thank you, Manong. Gusto ko lang ipaalala sa inyo na wala kayong dapat alalahanin. Patuloy pa rin ang mga tauhan natin sa pag-aanap kay Miguel. Miguel is nothing without us, and he's nothing against us. Here, here. Right.
One.
However, he's different. He has more energy. And he knows the good stuff, so he needs pedigree. With complete and balanced nutrition will help support his immune system. Feed them differently. Pedigree. Hydrate,